is here that laws are passed that affect every aspect of our lives and will do so throughout your lives. And we need some of the best and brightest minds among us to be attracted into politics for the common good.
1 in 10 young people aged 5 to 16 suffer from a diagnosable mental health disorder. That means 30 young people in this chamber will have a diagnosable mental health disorder. So why are some people deluded into thinking mental health isn't a real illness? 750,000 young people are living in the UK feeling as if they have nothing to live for. Like cancer, mental health can kill. However, with this in mind, let's not step into the shoes of trained doctors. Our egos are pretty high enough right now than thinking we're going to be the next Edward Jenner, because there isn't a vaccination for mental health. It isn't as simple as a GP appointment, a referral to your local counsellor, and a box of magic pills. Severities vary, and each and every case is unique like every human.